him awake, right? Hey, hopefully the lighting is picking up pretty good, but I'm filming on my camcorder right now, obviously, as you could tell by the video. It is currently, what time is it? It is currently 5 o'clock right now. Also, mind the coloring, I just thought it would look nice because of my room. Currently, my room is set to this like purpley color. I don't know why, I feel like I just haven't been really changing up the LED lights. So they're always like usually white, a very light blue, or recently I changed them into a yellow color because I thought it would just like match the vibes for the night. I just don't know. But yeah, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, it's currently 5 right now. I finished eating like a few hours ago, maybe like an hour ago. I ate pretty early for me. I'm gonna go get my cinnamon roll because se me antoja una little cinnamon roll. But you guys saw in the last video that I opened up and tried out the Costco cinnamon rolls. Bro, like actually, like go and try them for yourself. Like they're actually so good. And I'm also gonna treat myself to that because weirdly I already tracked down my calories for the day. Well, for the amount of food that I already have right now. And it looks like I haven't gone over my calories that much. But then again, I did eat like chicken and roasted potatoes, and those don't really have too much calories in them. Yeah, literally like I still have 700 calories left. So I'm gonna eat the cinnamon roll because like why not? You know what I mean? Like it's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Nah, but like stick to your goals, guys, because like bro, it'd be crazy sometimes. Like dude, sometimes se me antojaba like peaks in the night, but I'm like, oh, I gotta watch myself. I also forgot to say happy Vlogmas day number, what day is it? Happy Vlogmas day number 9. There you guys go. But yeah, I'm gonna go get it, so let's go. Let me turn this off though. Wait, what time is it? It's currently 7:03. I'm not lying. And it's workout time. Yo, why is the quality low-key good for it being like a camcorder? Like, what? I really don't know if y'all could see me right now, but like I'm walking for right now. But it literally looks like daytime. It's like 7 already. This is kind of cool, not gonna lie. What's up, guys? I just got back. It is currently 8:52 p.m. I just finished my workout and basically this video is done. I'm not gonna be filming anymore. I don't know how long this video is. If it ended up being like 5 seconds long, that's how it's gonna be. I don't have enough energy to be filming right now. Like, I'm gonna go take a shower, then after that I'm probably, what am I gonna do actually? I'm gonna edit because I still haven't finished editing Vlogmas day number 7, which if you haven't watched that video, go watch it. It's one of my longest Vlogmas episodes. Yeah, I still haven't finished editing it. I was low-key debating on some songs of what I wanted to do. I think I'm gonna choose this one. Wait, hold on. So yeah, I'm gonna use that one. And yeah, after I'm done editing that, I'm probably gonna finish the thumbnail and try to upload it. I'm gonna try not to edit tomorrow because tomorrow I really want to do a little break moment in between the vlogging, because on Friday I'm gonna edit again because I think I'm gonna try Dutch Bros for the first time, which I'm low-key excited. So if you're watching this video well, actually don't comment anything because by the time you guys are watching this video I already filmed the other video. So because this video is gonna go out on Saturday the 21st. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching and good night, good morning. It is currently nighttime for me, so good night.